Model, 2020 Citroen Relay Boxer DUCATO 35 Heavy L3H2 BlueHDi 140 Enterprise Spares OR Repairs MOTED. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 91,173. MOT, 30 July 2024. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight misfire, engine is shaking on idle. We checked the engine thoroughly and it is down on cylinder 2. Will need repairing. Plenty of life in this Euro 6 engine. Gearbox and clutch are all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors,